What's up, gentlemen? So today I'm so incredibly excited to introduce you to the newest fragrance from the House of Pedro Legend. So Legend has kind of a funny story of how it actually came to be, all right? So I was not intending on creating a new fragrance and launching it this year, but last November I was in the mall at one of those like Neiman Marcus. I was in a super expensive department store, and whenever I go in, right when you walk in, there's like a bunch of fragrances, right? And so I always do what I did, which was start to smell different fragrances. Most of them were like, I feel like I've smelled it before. But when I smelled one fragrance, I couldn't stop thinking about it. It was Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous. It was like nothing I'd ever smelled. I sprayed it on, I went home, I said to my wife, I said, hey, what do you think of this? And she goes, oh my God, it's so different, but I love it so much. It's crazy sexy. And she was like, that's the one, that's your next fragrance. I'm like, I'm not trying to launch a new fragrance this year. She goes, you've got to do it. And I started thinking about it. I said, you know what? I would regret not coming out with this fragrance. And so literally it's been almost a year that this product and this fragrance has been in development, and I am so incredibly proud of it. I'm also, oh God, super excited for you to actually try it. Legend is warm and woody at its core, right? It's also got a bit of leather, but not like nasty leather or like too powerful. It's the perfect balance, right? It also starts off a little bit floral, but then it kind of transitions into a bit more like vanilla, tonka note-y amazingness, right? But then boom, it settles in and it's woody, sexy, warm, and amazing. It's earthy, it's woody, leathery, but not overpowering. And the thing that I love so much about this, as opposed to the original, is that for the original, literally for like a 1.7 mil, it's like $400. For a larger one, it's like literally like $600. But they know what they have. They have a fragrance that is unlike anything. But now, so do we. Now, it's not a copy or a clone, but it is heavily, very heavily inspired by Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous. It's just so good. You're going to love it. Your spicy senorita, or whoever you're digging, gentlemen, they're going to love it. You're going to get compliments. But the bottom line is this: you are going to smell like a legend.